GitHub. So how we can push our code on GitHub? So guys, what we require, like couple of ways are there. What we can do, we can put, type this on Google, get desktop download. So we'll get this official website. And there I can click on download for Windows. So that is downloading now. Okay, now that is downloaded. So we can install this software. Installation starting. All right, so this is the installation. GitHub Desktop is being installed and it will launch once done. One second. Okay, all right. So that is downloaded now. Now what we can do, we'll have this option to sign into GitHub. So I'm just going to click on the sign into GitHub. Now that is redirected me to this section. See, this is the page which we'll have. There what we can do, maybe my password is saved. Let me check. Is it correct password? Perfect. So that password is fine. Now that will redirected me back to this GitHub desktop. So that will fetch everything and let me click on the finish. All right. So these are the repositories which we'll have. Now what I required, I need to create a new repository and push my code. Like see the code which I did recently. So let me open this Eclipse. This is my code. So what I'll do, I'll go to this properties option. In this properties, I'll have this option. Okay, so that is open there. This is my project. Fine. Now where is GitHub? This is GitHub. Let me go to file, new repository. And there, let me type this repository name, that is Hibernate or employee Hibernate. Employee with Hibernate. So we can click on this checkbox, git ignore Java. My code is in Java. So let me click on this create repository. Now this repository is created on GitHub. So that is creating. Everything is depend upon the internet speed and the system performance. So right now on this left hand side, you can see that there is no files. So how can I push, upload the file? So what I can do, I can click on this show in Explorer. That will open this location. Now what I can do, where is my code? My code is there. I'll just copy everything, right click, Control A and Control C, or you can see for your option, we can click on that, copy. Now that is copied everything. And let me paste it there. Right click and then paste. Now see, once I'll paste everything, in this get option, you will find everything is reflected there. All codes, everything. Now, what is the summary? Summary is required. Like this is anything you can type. Like this is Hibernate employ code with Hibernate. Employ code with Hibernate. Perfect. Now I can click on commit to main. But once you committing, keep one thing in mind that, see, we'll have this option, publish repository. Okay. Now it will ask you to keep this code private. If you'll click on this, so that will become private. Suggestible, if you want your code can be accessed by everyone. So select this checkbox, uncheck this checkbox, and then click on publish repository. Now it will going to push everything on the browser. We can wait for a couple of seconds. Okay. Some changes performed. Perfect. So now that is uploaded, right? Now you can click on view on GitHub, and this is the code. Now what you can do, you can simply click on that. If you want to copy this, clone this in your Eclipse, so we'll have this option. You can either click on that option or you can download this zip file. You can unzip that file. How you can clone this in your own Eclipse. So we'll have this option. Again, I'll copy it, go to your Eclipse. In this side, you will find the perspective. What you can do, you can click on the Git. There I'll have Git option. I can click on open. And once I'll click open, so I mean that type of a structure I'll got. And there I'll have clone a Git repository. So guys, that is already in my clipboard, that URL. So once I'll click on that, automatically that comes here. If you want to copy any other Git repository, you can simply copy and paste that code. Then click on next. That will download everything. Next, and then finish. So that code is listed on this side. There, you will find the complete code. Everything, whatever I had done, everything is there. So this is the way how you can push your code on GitHub and how you can fetch any other code from GitHub. So that's it.